Heavens to Betsy, I don't know if you can hear me, but up here you're coming in clear as a bell. Heavens to Betsy, I finally quit the drinking, so I hated that my demons put you through